Nothing better than golf, other than golf in the rain.
Right now?
Megan wants to go see Megan wants to see Robert though.
Yeah, we'll stop by.
Okay.
We'll get our stuff together.
Okay. We're gonna do this. There you go. Nice job. Nice job.
Ready, Robert? Open your eyes wide.
I thought you were gonna do the phone smack.
What you doing? What are you doing?
I'm just capturing your soul slowly. It's like we're in a movie. Walking in the rain, jazz music.
Hello. Hello from Coney. Just got home from Tiny Feast. Before that I went out for breakfast with my grandma and grandpa. And now I'm home for the rest of the day. Lots of work to do. So, it's good. Brett won't be home till 8 because he's at a golf tournament.
Golfing. Staff golf tournament. Having fun. First hole. See how we do. Hopefully the rain doesn't come. See? Look at my beard. Look at how awesome that is. It's patchy. I know it's patchy. Raining. Rain. It's kind of nice. The clubs are all wet. What you gonna do?
No shame. No shame.
Hey, Brent, how'd you do? That's too loud.
Oh, you saying that to your mom? Oh, will be the worst.
Brett's home, Brett's home, Brett's home. You won all the prizes.
I just won one prize.
You won 2 backpacks, a hat, a smoothie cup, and $50 of peasant cookery.
Just one prize.
That sounds like all the prizes.
If I won all the prizes, it would be which?
We'd be a witch.
I don't even know what this is. Is this a cooler? Could be good for Portland.
Hey, Brett.
Yo. Hey, Meg.
2 7s for Tessa.
Oh.
3 8s for Megan.
2 9s for Brett.
Oh, handle time. What is it? What is it?
You're on 10.
Do I have any?
We probably have like 3 of them.
110.
Robert's too honest for this game.
Cheat.
Yeah.
Maybe not honest.
I'm so bad. I'm gonna get all this organized.
Hurry, before he's organized.
One jack.
Your phone is blurry. Oh, there we go. Planning Portland. And I got booted up the couch.
So spreadsheets and dog pillows.
Oh yeah. The best way to plan.
Audrey was sleeping and then Brett said for Thai.
For Thai.
And she's freaking out.
Audrey, do you like Thai food? Do you like Thai food?
She thinks you're saying outside.
Do you like Thai?
Audrey, you wanna go for Thai?
Don't make shh.
For Thai?
Oh, don't. Stop.
She thinks we're saying.
No. Don't say it.
He's so excited.
Don't you dare. I'm not gonna have to go out. You are. No. No, we're not going for tie. Audrey's going back to bed.
Audrey loves tie.
Audrey, bedtime?
Apparently.
Bedtime?
Bedtime.
Kissing time. Bedtime.